Hey y'all. Well, I have so many things to go over with you that I'm just going to get started. I went through a bunch of makeup. I've got to have a little piece of candy. Y'all, I love this. This is made from Lollipops. And my great-grandbaby's name is Lolly. And Tiffany, my oldest husband, is the grandpa then. And she calls him Pops. So Lollipops. So as soon as I eat these, it's called sparkling champagne, or I'd let her have it. But I feel like I don't want to give champagne candy to a baby. I'm sure it's got 400 pounds of sugar in it, but y'all probably seen these. They're just sugary gummy bears that have deliciousness to them. Okay, let's get to it. So many clothes, but that's not what I'm actually doing. I wanted to show you some more of the fun, kind of like evening bags, going out bags, ladies do lunch bags, that kind of thing. That I got from VERONA HILL. I think I already showed y'all this coach. I think I did an unboxing of the coach. I haven't, not coach, I'm sorry. I saw the black coach. This is a Michael Kors. And I really do like it because of its real pretty gold hardware. And also, y'all, it's just the easiest bag. This side, and then you can put anything like wallets and valuables in this zipped one, or you can put that in here if you got smaller ones. And use this as like your makeup pouch. So I really do like it. I do like that it's got two so that I can throw it over and it's not getting in the way. So I do like that bag a lot. These bags are more just kind of little fun bags. It's by VERONA HILL. I think I was playing a game sometimes to go to sleep. I know this is like so contrary to popular belief that when you're on your phone you can't go to sleep because of blue light. But I just get so exhausted from looking at it, it makes me go to sleep. So Lance like goes, I mean, he's just asleep. So I play this little word. It's like a, what do you call, like a electronic word puzzle. Okay, enough of those. Anyway, this was an ad. It popped up. I'm a sucker, and I got it. And it comes in these pretty little satin blue bags. I don't remember which is which, so we'll just pull each one out. I'm sure I won't be returning any of them. I feel something heavy. Oh, it's its chain. Okay. I probably should have had my little scissors out. Let me get my pretty scissors. Look how they've got clear and then gold. Of course, I've got my little bitty sewing scissors over there, but we'll use these for now. Okay. Here it is. Here is the unboxing. Such a pretty bag. Look at that. I wouldn't say this is the highest quality because I'm actually literally seeing glue from hot glue. You know how you do hot glue and it leaves little streams? It has that. So that was hot glued on. Apparently right before it went in the box. But I like it. Anyway, this is one of those things you're not going to wear that often. It wasn't that expensive. When I say that, they're not cheap either. It was around $100. But if you did like a Jimmy Choo of something that looks just like this, no joke, it would be like $1,100. So if you wanted this to be like to carry at a wedding or a reception or some sort of evening thing, it's just really, look how the little rhinestone hooks go up on either side. And then, uh-oh, y'all, does this open? Oh, it does. Oh my goodness, this is really hard to open because of that. And guess what? They give you an extra one. I don't get it. I don't get it. Not only that, look at this. Okay, on this one, it's missing stones. That is so weird they put that in here. Now, I'll be honest with you, I've had this well over 2 weeks. There's no returning it. But this would, like I said, this would be such a rare thing that I wear anyway. I literally would put car keys, wallet, or probably even just my ID and credit card and insurance cards, health and car insurance. Those are the 4 mains I always carry with me. And then, like I said, car keys. And this would be kind of one of those things where I don't even put my cell phone in there. I probably would. This is so weird that you can't really close it good. Like, look, it won't close without. I bet what happened was it got pulled off. I don't think these probably are supposed to go up like that. Am I missing something here? Because look at this guy. Is that the weirdest, y'all? But, and on, oh, I'm sorry, on the back side, I take it back. No! On the back side, it is missing stones. 1, 2, 3, 4 stones. I don't know what that went with. It almost looks like, maybe it was there? Or maybe it was there? I do not know. No, I guess it would have had to be, it would have to be like that. I don't know. I like it the way it is. The key is this is not quite tall enough, and I bet it came off and they threw this in there and shipped it after they hot glued it. Oh my goodness. And then this is the chain. If you want the chain, it's the silver on this. Then that's champagne. That is too funny. You can't even really get in this sucker. Well, okay, you push down. I'm sorry. You just push down on it. That's just not a big deal. You just push down on it. And then when you close it, I guess you push down on it again. Yeah. Just got to be careful with it. But it is a pretty bag, so there is that one. I always put it next to my face so you can kind of see the size. Next to my eyes. Okay. Next. You could carry it like that. I wouldn't advise it. That's probably how the other one came off. Okay, Verona Hill. Here's another little one. Alright. Okay, you're going to know why I got this right off the bat. Again, these pretty little blue satin bags. Because it's such a copy of Chanel. The Chanel pearl bag. But honestly, I'm not going to pay that much for a bag that I will rarely use. Again, this is for a special occasion. Very, very pretty, y'all. It's very pretty. It's pearls both sides. They're all on there. See any coming off? No. And it's got a pearl and rhinestone closure. I guess it does that way, okay? Let's just pop open. Oh, and it does have its little... it's got a small and a double connect on both sides. So you could make this... I wouldn't do that. I would carry this as a clutch. But you could put where you carry it like that. I would definitely carry this as a clutch to an event. You know? That's how I would carry it. So... very pretty. It'll be up pretty on the shelf just as a part of collection. You know, these are definitely collection pieces. They're just kind of pretty. Okay, so that's those two. Like I said, this is like $100. And I think if you got two, you got the third one half price or free. I don't remember. So one of these was free. That's, yeah. But they're pretty for like evening wear. For one thing, it'll be in low lighting. But honestly, that looks as good. This does look as good as the Jimmy Choo I saw. Very similar. So, I'm telling you. And that's, you know, thousands. This is 100 or less. Could have been the one for free. Okay. Oh, this is another really pretty. So, all of these I will tell you before you say, why are you getting so many bags for weddings? Are you going to a bunch of weddings? No. Part of this is for just a cute look on the shelf. Almost like if you buy figurines that are little dolls or dogs, like I have right there. And when I get these placed, I'll put a picture. I'll tell you what, I'm going to start using my Instagram more for kind of still shots of things that I get instead of video. Alright, hold on. This is like stuck on here. That was not a wise packaging move. Okay, let's just keep going. Just keep cutting, trying not to tear up the purse. Like I said, I wouldn't. And I'll tell you something. If this was like the best quality out there, like a Chanel, Jimmy Choo, Dior, whatever, because there's a lot of little specialty bags out in their brands like this. That's why, like I said, I got the one that looks like pearls. It looks like the Chanel. I think it was one of their winter or spring collection or cruise collections, you know, where they have the specialty stuff. And you see those things on there and you think, if you were going on a cruise and, well, now cruises are very affordable. I don't like them. I don't do cruises. But I've seen too many problems with them at sea, and I'm like, no, that would not be me. I know my husband wants to go so bad. That's just, it's a non-negotiable. I'm sorry, I love him so much, but I'm not doing a cruise. But we do lots of other fun stuff. So here, this is, again, very pretty. Now look, these would be similar. Either one of these could be for a wedding, you know, reception, a wedding, church, whatever you want to do. This one's a little more modern. This is a little more vintage and elegant. So I would say this is more the evening wear. This is more the actual wedding day. I don't know. It's not like you're going to change purses. Only the bride changes. I don't know how this opens. Oh, very cool. Look. It's a little bullet that opens. That's very cool. And of course it has its little chain in it again. And it has the little things on either side that you hook to it that fold inward. If you wanted to do that. I think the whole beauty of this is that you hold it as a clutch. Okay. Next. Do you see why I haven't gotten to these? Okay. Oh, this one's heavy. Wow, this one's really heavy. It's a pretty little thing. Again, I'm going to have a shelf of little collectibles, I think. Because I'm selling some of my purses, so it'll be interesting to see what I do as I rearrange the shelves. Comment below if you would like to see me do a organization of my handbags. In other words, be a part of seeing me actually reorganize these shelves. Maybe I'll just lay them all out and place them. Maybe we can vote on where everything should be. Okay, hold on.